In this week's video, my good lady wife and I take a Cessna 172 SP to Williston Municipal Airport. We then drive an old police car to Devil's Den, which is a prehistoric spring situated inside a rather spooky cave. Sit back, relax, and watch me freeze my knackers off whilst I struggle to operate a snorkel.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Rachel's back.
At 47929 said you're going to the east?
Yeah, east to southeast bound this time, 969.
Okay.
We are taking 969 Sierra Papa, the plane that we took to Venice Beach, to Williston. That doesn't sound very exciting in itself, does it? But we're not just going to Williston. We're going to a prehistoric cave to go for a little swim.
Yeah.
Aren't we? With snorkels and GoPros.
Snorkels.
It is a beautiful day here in Central Florida, but it's in the mid-80s, mostly clear skies with the odd little stratus cloud. It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
And I've come dressed as a picnic.
Picnic.
Well, Rachel always says I need to wear a bit more colour. So I've got a red 03 Delta shirt, which you can buy on my website.
And Leesburg clearance, Falcon.
Oh, there's a guy in a flight suit, he's serious.
Yeah, before I think we're Sierra.
Talk to me, Goose.
Looking for a clearance to Mike Juliet X-ray.
Leesburg Tower, Skyhawk, 9 Sierra Pops at runway 21, Bravo, ready for departure.
Yeah, 969 Sierra Pop, northwest bound departure approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
21, clear for takeoff, northwest departure approved, 9 Sierra Pop.
Sure, you get your window.
Extra full, Rich. Window closed, squawking altitude, lights are on. Okay, we've got 21, 21, and 21. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Heels to the floor. Come on, I need a bit of left turning tendency there. There we go. Okay, engine instruments are still in the green. Airspeed's alive. Coming up to 60, 65, and then we'll go up.
Cherokee 47969, number 1 ready for departure 21.
Number 479,
We shall climb at 79.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff.
On course clear for takeoff 21, 47969.
What a beautiful day. Wouldn't you agree, my dear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Off to Williston we go. It's only a 28-minute flight, apparently.
There we go, swimming.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. And we're coming up to 2,500 feet. Let's get this all set up nicely, so we can just concentrate on the view. Alright, that's us on autopilot.
Yeah.
Intercepting the nav rather than a heading. And if I actually go to direct 2 on this, should match. And it does. There we go. Whoa. It's like having a Tesla, you sort of think to yourself, And just make sure that Ocala's airspace is 1500. Oh god. Yeah, it is.
Whee!
This isn't what I signed up for. Right, Ocala Tower, just to make sure there's nothing going on there that we need to know about. And then Williston CTAF is 122975. Yep, and then weather is 118425, which we'll put in here. 2, there we go. Yeah, so we're going to a place called Devil's Den. I know it sounds a little bit ominous, but at Devil's Den, it's a prehistoric spring, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a cave spring. Cave spring. It has it does have some fish in the cave, and it's very historic.
Yeah, so we're going to go for a little paddle, aren't we? We're going to go for a swim around.
Yeah, we're gonna go snorkeling.
Going to go snorkeling on this. Well, it's a bit cloudier up this way than it is down at Leesburg. It's not bad. Still nice.
Yeah, it's still nice. It's 72 degrees water all year round.
It seems cold to me.
Yeah, it does, but it's refreshing.
What if I don't want to be refreshed?
You have no choice.
Oh. Good to know. Well, all the instruments still seem to be working properly. That's always a good sign. And of course, we've got Ocala International Airport just off the nose. We're at 2,500. The airspace stops at 1,500. So we're good.
So are these all like race tracks? Because there's like lots of them.
I guess.
You can see over there too.
I guess, but would they be equestrian?
Oh, maybe for horses. Yeah.
But that's interesting because that's an oval, but that's made of
Asphalt, right?
asphalt, yeah. But then that one is sand.
Yeah. I don't know.
If anybody who lives in the Ocala area is watching this, can you let us know why there's so many ovals? I mean, there's a lot of them.
Yeah, this one is right across the street from the airport.
That looks like a racetrack for cars.
Oh, maybe go-karts.
Well, you get a full-size cars on that one, and that one could be like rally stuff.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since I last went to Ocala. I can't even remember why I was there. Why is it always bumpy when we fly? What is this bull? Alright, let's get it monitored.
Automatic weather observation. 1736 Zulu. Weather, wind 220 at 11, gust 16, visibility 104,800, scattered. Temperature 27 Celsius, dew point 14, altimeter 3004, density altitude 1300.
Say what?
It's gonna be
Williston Municipal Airport.
Automatic weather observation.
Alright, we're gonna be using runway 23 then. Let's see if this one floats as much as 747 Alpha Papa.
Alpha Papa.
Another oval, another oval,
Ovals galore.
another oval, another oval. Oval, 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 oval.
Circle.
My goodness. What? Hello?
Hello?
Do visual runway 23. Activate. Nice. Okay, we're going to start descending. So, autopilot disengage. It didn't make a noise. I'll do it that way then. Turn that off there. There we go.
Airless controls.
Do 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 do. And we're getting a courtesy car, aren't we, dear?
Yeah.
And you're going to drive it. Oh God, there's more ovals. It's like some sort of weird alien thing. Come down to 2,000 feet now.
Williston traffic, like short 76 Golf X-ray joining the left downwind for runway 23, Williston traffic.
Getting a bit choppy. Oh, I've got the traffic inside right over there. It's this. Can you see it? White against the green trees. Green trees. What other colour would they be? Just do the pre-landing check. Let's just make sure I've got everything. I've got lights, mixture full, rich.
Fuel both, mixture best power, landing light on, seat belts good, flaps as required.
Williston traffic, light port 76 Golf X-ray, turning left face, runway 23, Williston traffic.
Williston traffic, Skyhawk 9 Sierra Papa's entering the left downwind for runway 23, Williston.
Williston traffic, light port 76 Golf X-ray, turning final runway 23, Williston.
See the traffic now?
Oh, I see her.
Now, people, let's see if we can do 55 knots. It still feels wrong.
Williston traffic, Skyhawk turning left base for runway 23, Williston.
Can't see anything now. There it is.
Williston traffic, light port 76 Golf X-ray, clear of the active runway. Williston traffic.
Williston traffic, Skyhawk 9 Sierra Papa's turning final runway 23, full stop, Williston.
Full barn door. Really feel that slowing you down in a Cessna, can't you? I know, it's 700 feet, blah, blah, blah.
Williston traffic, light port 76 Golf X-ray, taxiing towards the SDO. Williston.
Williston traffic, Skyhawk 1212 uniform, 10 miles to the southwest at 1,500, inbound for full stop 23 Williston.
Williston traffic 246 Victor, light Skyhawk, 4 miles final 23 Williston.
That wasn't bad, was it?
That was good. Well done.
Williston traffic, Skyhawk 9 Sierra Papa is clear of the active Williston. Williston traffic, the twin over by the SBO, are you heading this way?
Indeed.
What do you think of that landing, people? It was 55-ish.
2 mile final.
Still floated a little bit. A lot of back pressure in this, so it gets very, very nose heavy. Obviously, because there's an engine up there. Is that a twin Comanche? Looks like a twin Comanche. It is a twin Comanche.
Appreciate you guys holding short for us down here, Sierra Pop.
No problem, love the twin Comanche.
Thanks, man.
Alright guys, well that was the little short flight to Williston. That wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
I don't know how entertaining it's going to be, it was a very short flight. Oh.
Oh.
So the next time you see us, we'll be getting into a courtesy car.
Williston traffic, 1212 uniform, 3.5 miles.
That's how she drives.
Southeast at 1,200, inbound for full stop landing, 23 Williston.
Wow, that was a long radio call.
We're in a Crown Vic. Rachel's driving. we're in a Crown Vic.
I'm in a cop car.
It is an ex-cop car. It's got the light outside. It's got the switches where the lights used to be, and it's got one of those battering ram things on the front. So, but I mean, it's cheaper than an Uber in that it's free.
I feel like I want to go on a police chase.
Try going around a corner at 50 miles an hour and see if we can make it like a movie. Anyway, we're on our way there. It says we'll be there in 10 minutes. It's 4.7 miles away. So
I don't want to touch this.
she doesn't want to touch the wheel. But anyway, this is the country road that we're going down on Williston, and all of the vlogging at this point will be done on a GoPro, so I do apologise if the audio isn't fantastic. Oh my god. Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop! What does it do?
Wee, wee, wee.
Nothing. This is Devil's Den. From inside a police car.
Wee, 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 wee. You there. No, wait. You there. What are you doing? Okay, carry on.
Look at this. Oh, it's scary. I'm gonna go see some dinosaurs. Oh god, it's cold down here. This is cool.
Ooh, this is awesome. Look at these.
I was gonna say it's really, really cold in the water. Like it's, what, 72 degrees? And we're getting up to plum level. So this is the outside, and this is where we just were. Look at that. Well, we're back in the Crown Vic. Patrolling. That concludes our day at Devil's Den. It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
Must see.
Must see, must do. If you can ever get to Williston and brave enough to drive this, you really should try and do it. But yep, so we're heading back to the airport, jump back in the plane, get back over to Leesburg for a 28-minute flight or whatever it is. Oh god.
10:19. Come on.
You don't know what a 10:19 is. Wow. But anyway, so that's it. We're done. We're heading back to the airport. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It does help. We will see you next week. Bye. What?